Never like a, never like a. You already know the vibe, chat. You already know the vibe. You're like, I do this shit. Good. Alright, it's time to put on some music, bruv. Alright, let me make an announcement in my thing. Screaming, baby, I'm back. Give me a second. Alright, who's ready to have a good day? Who's ready to have a good day today, bruv? Whoa, we catch we catch tops and bottoms, bro. No cap. What's up, Chong? What's up, Mario? Let's put on some music, bro. Trading news? Absolutely, bro. You know how we run this shit? News is just there. News is not gonna affect us mentally. Right? Definition of the trenches. Bro, chill. Listen, look. Go on price action here. We're breaking above highs. Right? Usually when we have big manipulation legs, they're usually just manipulation. We're probably going to go lower. We're probably going to tap this order block here. This is probably my draw on liquidity here. So then like boom, we're right here. Up, down, breaking above the highs. So price is going like this. Up, down, up. No. This is how price went. Literally like this. Down, up, lower, low, failure, swing low, breaking above the highs, like that. That's literally how price is going right now, right? Which is good, right? Price on the 5-minute tapped this rejection block right here on ES. It tapped the rejection block on ES, which is a good sign, which is a great sign. So now we're chilling. We're longs. We're long bias. We're long bias. Just looking at structure overall, right? And just look at this, bro. Like we're like we run this, bro. Standard deviation projects a lot of things. You know what I mean? So like we can run this trend. This is where I'm projecting prices come up to, and then a potential retracement. What? It's in the back. It's in the back. Bro, trade the fun and get comfortable with risk 1 micro. I know, but it's a CPI day. It's a CPI day. So it's like, do I really want to risk it even on CPI days? Or do I just want to like practice? You know what I mean? Is my bias today short or long? Also new trader. How to find my daily bias? Just going here. I mean, looking at this. Opening, chop. Manipulates lower. It manipulates lower, right? Right now, ES is in this 4-hour gap that we're respecting. So I'm anticipating price. Since we manipulated something on the hourly, but not on the 4-hour, I'm anticipating this 4-hour to hold. and then my draw on liquidity is like an hourly PD array. So like an hourly high. That's like my draw on liquidity, right? So right now I want to see higher prices. We're in this -2 standard deviation here. So I do want to see like price kind of start to retrace here and go lower. And like, let's see here. Wow, that did nothing. Absolutely nothing. Look at that. It taps -4 perfectly, bro. -4 perfectly here. Guys, standard deviation is it, bro. You guys have to learn standard deviation. That's how you guys get your that's how you get your projections. What do you mean you manipulate? So like on the hourly chart, here we open up here, we don't manipulate anything. Hourly chart manipulates these highs here, right? And then we dump lower, right? Tapping -4 standard deviation. And then usually I'm pretty sure like standard deviation, when we tap -4, hold up, let's see. Wait, hold up. Oh yeah, so -4 is usually a high probability reversal, right? So this is the manipulation leg that we drew, right? This is the manipulation leg because if you go on the hourly time chart here, this candle was the manipulation candle, right? So from here to here, that's the manipulation here. -4 is usually a high probability where turtle soups are, right? This is a high probability where potential reversals are, right? So look at that. We tapped -4 perfectly. We're coming back up. So I'm expecting higher prices here. And guess what? From this leg on the 5-minute to this leg here, we're tapping. Let's go on the 15-minute here. We're tapping -1. So in -1 usually refines to a reaccumulation or redistribution. This is a good opportunity to get another reversal. So like for example, I want to see a good like potential what is it? I want to see a good entry up here. Did you take it long? I did not take it long. Yeah, so like my draw on liquidity is higher, right? My draw on liquidity is higher. We tap negative CPI, tap -4. Now I'm anticipating a reversal from here to the highs. Add OC zone. Let's see OC zone. Oh, I don't have it. QM zone. I'll run it. I'm buys. Look at that. If you just draw your 5-minute standard deviation here, we're at -1. And -1 to opportunity to get. This is a good opportunity to get another entry. Chase the price to reversal area in the -1 or -5 area. I like to wait for a return to a BISI or SIBI plus an order block or SMT turtle soup as shown in the following. Oh, I read too much. I read too much. What? So I want to see like a potential 5-minute fair value gap, and then like a. We'll see what happens here. Can you do something real quick? What's up? Between the fair value gap high and low, which have high probability. Wait, Salman. Between fair value gap and high or low, which have high probability price will react the most? What do you mean? Can you go on the golden daily chart? Wait, hold up. Oh fuck, why am I on gold? I don't even know. I don't trade gold, so I'm not even gonna look at it. So now, right now, if we're looking at the 4 hour here, this would be the manipulation leg. Not strong displacement here, but tab -2, retrace back up to equilibrium of the range here. And we could anticipate lower prices, but let's see what happens here. I kind of want to see price come back down to fair value up here. Like I said, we just wait. We just wait here. Black on black violence. Right now, we just wait for a decent entry, you know what I mean? Are you still struggling with the strategy? I was for a long time, but I'm like kind of getting better at it. Just reading market structure. I am unprofitable, ASIC. Like, I don't claim to be profitable. What platform is best to use? I use Top Step and then Trade08. You could catch a 1 to 20. I'm not even doing anything, bro. I'm not even doing anything, ASIC. I'm just saying what I see. That's literally it. Pommy, Papa needs you. Pommy, Papa needs you. Daddy said Daddy go fish chicken today. Look at me. Look who called me that. Stay to Daddy. Don't call, okay? All right. So right now, we're creating. I want to see a 5-minute fair value gap here. I want to see this type of 5-minute fair value gap here, and then because we're at standard deviation or -1 standard deviation here. So I want to see price potentially tap this fair value gap here. I don't teach people anything. What are the downsides to be using a prop firm? Honestly, nothing. I mean, realistically, nothing. I mean, you're realistically not. There's no downsides. I mean, once you're live, I mean, dude, there's really no downsides, bro. I'm from Oklahoma. Explain why how you let out that yellow wick. What yellow wick? What happens if you blow your account? You don't lose. You don't lose your money. So like when you buy a prop firm, right? When you buy a prop firm, you pass the combine, and then after that, you get it. That's literally it. There's really no downside, bro. I mean, low wick. Oh no, this is just the standard deviation. I made 230 on gold. Hey, that's more than I did. It's more than I made. So when you buy a prop firm is basically where you can like use their money instead of your own money if you pass, right, to trade. Passing a combine, it took me a while, honestly. It took me a while to pass the combine. Do they recharge the activation fee? So once you buy the once you pass the combine and you buy the activation fee, they don't charge you again. Tell her to use 101 of TGR. No, don't use TGR's prop firm, bro. Don't use TGR's prop firm. Come on. Have logic. Use logic. Ew, she's kind of ugly. Yeah, so you only get the monthly subscription if you're on a combine still. When is Trump speaking? I think he speaks all day apparently. So like over here, yeah, we got Trump speaking, we got Powell speaking, we got CPI speaking, type shit. Like we got this. Like we run this, bro. Watch. We're gonna come down, tap a fair value gap. SMT, because right now I'm projecting this low. I'm projecting this low not to get tapped. I don't want to see this low get tapped at all. This low should not be tapped. Right, because we broke a structure above here with displacement. So this right here is technically my my dealing range, right? My dealing range from here to here. So I want to see price come down and tap like a fair value gap here somewhere, create like a 1 minute SMT, and then create an SMT, and then yeah, go higher prices. Because right now this is my stop loss. This low is my stop loss. We shouldn't come back down here. We got Powell speaking in like 30 seconds. What strat do you recommend? I recommend, any strat works. Any strat works. Trust me. Trust me. Anything you do works. Supply and demand, ICT, RSI, shit like that. It works. Trust me. All right. Powell speaking here. Like I said, I want to see price come down to like a fair value gap here somewhere. Because we're at -4, get a high potential of reversal. Now, we know, who knows? We might rage bound. Who knows? Because the ADR has been met already, right? The ADR has been met. We've tapped both of the ADRs. So right now, like, we could just range. Yeah, this is not, it's not very volatile. I would have anticipated it to be more volatile. The fuck is an ADR? Average daily range. So like it's just the 5-day daily range. So like basically the ADR is basically the average daily range for the past 5 days, and that's how like I guess that's how where price is most likely like I guess maximize itself. And if we maximize it over or under, then if we maximize it over, then theoretically we're gonna range the next day, or we're just gonna range in that area. Yeah, I still think we go up. When you implement this shit, I started implementing it pretty earlier, I started implementing it like a few weeks ago, I would say. I don't have a pencil. Ask Jazz. I don't have a pencil. Fine. Now we just see what happens. How long we trade? I've been trading for about 2 years. Look at that. ES is coming down to this gap. We're in this 15-minute fair value gap here, but you have to use discretion here. This is a big ass fair value gap, right? So what can we anticipate here? We can just anticipate like the upper quadrant of the 25% of this fair value gap here, right? So here to here, where's the 25%? So we could potentially tab below this 25% mark area here, right? Just use like logic, right? Type shit, you know what I mean? Fine. We're finally getting some volatility. Now, I'm not just gonna blindly enter. What I'm going to do is wait for a little bit more confirmations, right? A little bit more confirmations here. Looks like we're tapping 50% mark of this range here, right? Which is good. We just wait. Is this your main income? My main income is store dashing. I'm not a profitable day trader. I'm unprofitable. There, I said it. Why do you do it then? Because this is my passion. Love your style, thank you. Tom Hugard. I've read some of his. I'm pretty sure he's an author. I read some of his books, but I didn't read all of it, to be honest with you. But can you be funded without being profitable? Yes and no. Being funded just means you pass accounts. So like, I can say I'm funded with 2,000, but I could be unprofitable also. How much time have you been doing this? I've been doing this for like 2 years, man. I'm bullish, Marcus. I do trade. Oh yeah, I do trade. I don't trade live because this week is just very volatile. What? Pen. I don't have a pen. Ask Jazz. No. Ask Jazz. I already told him. I already told him. No, you liar. I already told him. No, you're liar. He's downstairs. Yes, he is. We are tapping this 4-hour breaker here also, though. Oh, wait. Yeah, we also tapped in this 15-minute breaker plus a 4-hour breaker, etc. So right now I'm just waiting. He's downstairs. On the other side. That side. Little bro. How do you do that thing where you change the time frame by typing? You use the keypad. What happened? What happened?
I get a pencil, but I don't know where is it.
Bro. Okay, it's okay. I'll tell him.
No, go call Mom.
For what?
Pencil.
No. Go get her a pencil. She doesn't. Go, I apologize. Dog, but there's like no. So on your keyboard, there's literally your user number pad, and then you just automatically type it. You just type it. 500 real quick. All right, we'll check 500. That's literally it. You know what I mean? Like you just type it on the number pad on your keyboard. Sup, Wayne, John Wayne. What is there's no buying, like, bro. You just use your keypad. Are you trading? Yes, I'm just waiting for I'm just waiting for a setup, a potential setup. We have an order block here on the 5-minute, 15-minute fair value gap. Right now, I'm just waiting for a potential setup here. We just wait. How much do you usually risk each trade? I want to risk like only like two to $400 per trade. What sort of confirmation are you waiting? Just an order block. I want to see an order block, and yeah, I realistically just want to see an order block here. And guess what? We'll have a breaker here also. ES is already tapping the breaker, by the way. If you look at ES tapping this breaker here, reacting off of that breaker coupled with the 5-minute fair value gap. Now, this could be an opportunity for us to start to go longs here, right? Good opportunity for us to go longs here. Because we do have SMT at the lows. This could be a good opportunity here. But I want to buy below lows and above old highs, right? So I want to I would like to buy soon. Maybe at this order block here. Because we do have SMT at the lows. So I want to see price come back down here. That's my entry, and this would be my stop loss here. Let's see. So this is going to be a swing point. We have SMT at these lows. This consequent encroachment could hold. This consequent encroachment of the CE could hold, but I want to see if we can come back down a little bit lower. Right now we just wait. Because usually I want to see like an order block paired. Or like an SMT or some shit, which we do have. Damn, I thought it was gonna be a little bit more faster, to be honest with you. This is kind of slow. Call Powell again, bro. I might have to, bro. Short to go all lows on your express ticket. Fuck no. Fuck no. I want to see how we react off this 50% mark here. But I would like to buy below the lows here. Or if ES takes out these lows here, I'll just go ahead and buy. What is your goal? How much you would want to return monthly or annually once you're profitable? I just want to make at least like 6 to 7 grand a month, and then like scale up from there. Show the 1 hour time frame. That's the 1 hour time frame. Thank you, Jacob, for the W's, bro. What a legend. What a fucking legend. I want to see if we could come down a little bit lower. Okay, so we're sweeping out the lows here. If we can tap this order block, it'd be nice. Oh, we did tap the order block. Alright, I'll give here like a stab longs. And then I guess I'll just put my stops at this order block low. Oh shoot. Oh wait. Oh thank God. I thought it was my fucking fund. I was about to lose my shit. Not trust. So basically we tapped -4 standard deviation, which is a good sign for a high potential reversal here, which we did get retraced. So now I'm still expecting a reversal here. And plus we retraced back down to equilibrium of the range here also. Coming down. This could act as your breakaway gap. And guess what? We have a 5-minute breaker. And then coming down to the 1 minute, we have a 1 minute order block. Right here. 5-minute breaker, 1 minute order block. So now my stop loss is a little bit below this order block here. And I would like to see, I like how we did inverse or this volume balance. I want to see if we can get this inversion fair value gap here. And then this could act as support. And I'll just like to target like these highs or something. And if we lose this trade, it's okay because this is paper. Because this is how you trade CPI and Trump and Powell speaking. We just don't trade. That's literally it. We just don't trade. And if you want to trade, you trade on paper. Why the lonely music? Because bro, Valentine's Day, bro, I got nobody, bro. I'm not like my boy Jacob that donated, bro. He's going on a Valentine's Day and everything, bro. So it's like, damn, making me feel lonely over here. Where do I get news when they talk? There's a website called Forex Factory. So it's like here, Forex Factory here. And this is like all the high impact news. There we go. We're getting that nice displacement up. I want to see this high get taken out. There we go. So we just inverse this fair value gap, right? So now I can go ahead and move my stops to break even. This fair value gap, this inversion should act as support, right? Should act as support. I want to see price come up and take out this high, and that's literally all you need to get. All right, there we go. That's all you need. This is a paper. This is paper. This is paper trading. But like, it's just the fact that I'm starting to see more, like, was more, I guess, more conviction. The reason why I'm so calm is because I'm tired. Low key. Because I'm tired. Not do it on your funded. I'll trade my funded next week. Because right now, this week is just super volatile, bro. So I don't even want to, I don't even want to risk it on the funded because, like, it's so volatile, man. And it's, like, it's so, like, I guess unpredictable. Nice. That could have got rid of your $900. No, that could have. That one trade. like tomorrow we have PPI, unemployment claims, and then Friday we'll trade Friday. I most likely will trade Friday live on my funded. Yeah, that's literally it. Caught the bottom. Why did I enter up here once I saw the SMT? It's because, yes, we were in this fair value gap, but dropping down to the 1 minute, we had this 1 minute order block that looked also really good, and we haven't tapped anything here. So I saw the breaker, and I'm like, okay, look, I'm gonna wait. Breaker, and I knew I had a feeling, honestly, just a feeling, no logic behind it, just a feeling that this is going to be your breakaway gap. All right. So then plus also we were in equilibrium of the range, came down, tapped the breaker, tap the breaker, tap the 1 minute order block, bought at the low, sweeps out this low. This was the overall entry, but I waited a little bit more I waited a little bit more once we swept out this low, because this was my overall objective, right? And this was my buy order. I market ordered, got filled, stops at this low, targeted this high. Let's see, 589. Yeah, there we go. This was like my overall stop loss, overall target right here. There we go. I don't use inverse fair value gaps. Yeah, that was like a $900 trade. Unfortunately, that was not the funded. I might just buy an eval, bro. Fuck it. Just stay calm and collected. Wait, I just joined. Why'd you take that trade? Alright, I'll tell you real quick. I'm telling you, we're buys, bro. There's no reason to go shorts. We already hit the fucking the freaking standard deviation. Yes, this was paper because we had Trump speaking. This is how you trade Powell, Trump, and CPI days, bro. Like, we just don't trade on our live, bro. We just paper trade and understand why price is doing what it's doing, right? So why did I go short? So going on the hourly time chart, just looking at here, just looking at the hourly time chart. Let me get rid of these annotations here. So why did I take this trade? Basically, going on the hourly time chart, just using your thing here. So what I saw going into the day, I was like, I'm going on the hourly time chart, and I'm like, okay, look, this is the opening. This is the 1800 opening. We don't really manipulate anything. Yes, we manipulate these lows during London session, but we had CPI, so I was like, okay, we're gonna wait for CPI. So what does it do? It manipulates Asia highs. We dump lower, right? CPI dumps us lower. Go on the 4-hour time chart. We have a 4-hour fair value gap right here. So then I'm like, okay, look. And plus, we swept out a 4-hour low. So, right? So that's a good thing. So realistically, you would want to target like an hourly. So when you trade 4-hour to 1 hour, and then 1 hour to 15 minute, and then what is it? Daily to 4-hour. So this is what you want to be looking at right here. So realistically, if we sweep out an hourly PD array, you want to target a 15-minute PD array. Vice versa, 4-hour to hourly, daily to 4-hour. So I saw that we swept out a 4-hour low and a 4-hour fair value gap. So what is my target now? An hourly PD array, right? So we tapped the 4-hour fair value gap. So then I would anticipate external to internal. So I would want to see like a higher draw appear. And then plus what I saw was standard deviation. Look at that. We tapped a -4 standard deviation here. This is a high chance of a reversal. A high chance. You start using standard deviations. That's what I'm going to start doing. -4 standard deviation is a high chance of a reversal. So look at that. We get a nice reversal, not really closing below it. We wick below it. And then now, go on the 5-minute. Draw another standard deviation. If you want to trade in the 4 hour, you want on the 5 minute. Look at that. From this low to this high, we tap -1. Price is usually going to reaccumulate or tap a higher time or tap a PD array for us to go higher, right? So then -1 is tapped. Then now price comes back down. 5 minute breaker. 5 minute fair value gap. And also a 15 minute fair value gap right here, right? And then drop down to the 1 minute. Where's the order block? Right here. Entry. Just target the high hanging fruit. I don't trade CRT now. I do have a funded account. I just haven't traded on it in a while. Yo, can you post this as a trade recap later? Yeah, I can, yeah. It'll probably be on my YouTube channel. Yeah, but today I have to drive like an hour and a half to buy a camera, so I finally bought I'm finally buying this camera, bro. I'm buying like this $1,500 camera. Bro, guess how much I'm buying it for, bro? Guess how much I'm buying it for? I'm buying this for $715. The Sony Alpha 7. It's a great fucking deal. So I'm not even mad about it. But yeah, that's literally it, bro. I mean, look at that. We're going higher, man. Like it's just super simple. Like, why do you leave runners? I only had one contract in here. I was trying to get in and get out. Yeah, absolutely. Fair value gap and entry liquidity. Absolutely, man. Do it again. All right, hold up. Let's see if my YouTube page is just my my name, my first and last name. Oh shit, guys! Top Step, or not Top Step. I got hooked up with a free membership for FX Replay. So if you guys want to get FX Replay, this is my backtesting. This is backtesting, right? Use my promo code. You know what I mean? Tight shit. Tight shit. Use my promo code. You already know what I do. Tight shit. Tight shit. Nah. Okay, let's go back on ES. Use the promo code. Support a young fella. Support a unprofitable day trader. Support. Alright, so let's just go here. Let's see if we can do it again. It's a lot easier during live, to be honest with you. It's a lot harder on backtesting for some reason. So just go in here, Tuesday here. So we have Powell speaking. We have President. I'm just gonna skip this day if I get. Okay, so I'm gonna skip this day also. Wait, no, I'm not. Oh, this is New York time. So basically, this is how I'm looking at it, right? So just go in here. Let's look at this. Mark out the 1800 opening. So standard deviation. Where is price majority most likely going to go towards to, right? So I guess what you can do is draw your standard deviation from the highest high to the lowest low. Let's see. Let's see actually. Just from today's session. See what the highs here. There we go. So you want to draw standard deviation from today's session here. So what I did was from here to here, because we swept the liquidity. Boom. Manipulation leg. From here to here. So where do I want to see? So usually negative, I'm bearish, right? I'm bearish. Structure is bearish. So what am I going to do? I want to see price, since we're at -1, I want to see price reaccumulate back up towards to a bearish PD array. And then target -2 to -2.5 standard deviation here. Now, this is like my overall draw liquidity. change the state of delivery towards the downside. And plus, let's go to 4 hour. We push higher. Now we're going lower. And then let's see if we have any SMT at the highs. Structure is just overall bearish right now on the day on for today. Let's see. My goodness, I can't grab this shit. There we go. So now, I wait. So look at this. This is literally your market maker model, right? So price is going like this. So price right here. I'm gonna start from here. Up, down, break at the low, make it higher high, go lower, higher high, failure swing low, sweep at the high, go lower. This is literally your market maker model in hindsight, right? Obviously, right? Sweep at the highs. And guess what? Breaker here. Now, what am I looking to do next here? So we break below the low, right? Not much displacement here. Not really much displacement here, right? So what can I anticipate here? Price to come back up and sweep out these highs, right? So, like I said, we're at -1 standard deviation. Wait, let me go back in early. We're at -1 standard deviation. I want to see price come back a little bit higher for us to give us a short opportunity. So what am I anticipating here? I mean, technically we broke below it. We have a breaker here, but then ES also broke it. ES also broke it with good displacement here, right? ES broke the low here with the hourly display with the 15-minute displacement. So what can I look for here? We have SMT at the highs. This high, I'm anticipating this high not to get hit, by the way. This high not to get hit. So let's go back on NQ. Let's see. So right now we have bearish SMT at these highs. Inside of a 15-minute fair value gap. Drop down to the 1 minute. Look at that, a 1 minute order block. I'll go ahead and just enter here. And then my stops would be like above this right here. And then I'll look to target lower prices here. Okay. Respecting this 1 minute order block here. SMT, turtle soup, these highs. Now, let's just keep playing, see what happens here. There we go. Target this low. And then potentially like break even after this low is taken out. There we go, break even. There we go. That's wow. That's how we fucking do it. Wow, that's fucking crazy. Look at that. If you go back on ES, we didn't even sweep out this high that I marked out. We swept out this high. What?
Has it been 25 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Okay.
Well, sweep out this high. Turtle soup right here. Same thing. Turtle soup. SMT. Turtle soup. Instead of a higher time for PD array, drop down to the 1 minute. 1 minute order block over here. Held it perfectly. That's your level right there. That's your entry. Go lower. That's a free model. Free model for you. Free model. Yes, it's technically a 1 minute inside of a 15-minute fair value gap, but using standard deviations. You just gotta have like a little bit of like idea behind it. Who knows? Maybe I'm getting lucky. Maybe I'm getting lucky because I feel like it's getting too good, honestly. But you know, we'll see what happens. But yeah, I'm probably gonna call it a day here, guys. If you guys are new, go ahead and follow me, subscribe. This is the longs here. Probably gonna call it a day. I gotta get ready, go get some stuff done. Plus, it's snowing, so it's like I gotta go get some shit done. I'm gonna back test Thursday. Backtest Thursday. But I'll be trading live Friday. But other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day. Yeah, no, I'll probably put this on my YouTube channel. If you guys don't have me on my YouTube channel just yet, let's go here. To myself, to a savior who can. This is the YouTube channel right here. I'll post the trade recaps later. But yeah, we'll run this. I don't trade crypto now. All right. Other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and call it GG's chat. Yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.